That's tandoori chicken? Wow. Check out the view. Wow. Good morning, it's 6:50 a.m. I am on my way to Bombay Motor Circle to catch a bus to Jaisalmer. I'm gonna have to take a rickshaw. Let me see how much the rickshaw costs. The driver initially asked for 200, but he agreed on 150 as a fare to Bombay Motor Circle, which is actually not bad. This is about 8 kilometers away. I am on a private bus, not a government bus. It departs from Bombay Motor Circle area, and price is negotiable. Initially, they quoted 300 per person, but I negotiated down to 250 per person. It doesn't have AC, but AC buses are available, but it's not available until 10 or 11, so decided to take the first one available. And it's okay, I left the window open, so it shouldn't be too bad. It will take about 5-6 hours to get to Jaisalmer. I got some pakoda from a vendor outside the bus. They're 10 rupee each, and I also got a bottle of water for 20 rupee. Then they just go up to the bus like that. It's 10:27. The bus stopped for about 5 minutes for toilet break and also pick up some passengers. I don't even know where I am, but maybe halfway to Jaisalmer. It's a pretty decent sized town. There is the Jaisalmer fort. It's pretty nice, sitting on top of a hill for a small mountain. It's 1:52 p.m. and I checked into Jaisalmer hostel crowd. This is a very good hostel actually, with a very good rating. I have a private room. The rate was they wanted 800 but negotiated down to 700 per night, which is an excellent value for a private room. This area is definitely in the desert. You can see that by looking at the colors of the buildings. It's mostly sand color. I really like this area. It's not as big as other cities. It's a small city actually. Look at the architecture. Very pretty. Yeah, I like this small town feel. And I never liked the big cities, so. Wow. Check out the carvings, intricate carvings on this building. There is a Jaisalmer fort. And I am going to Milan restaurant, which was recommended by the hostel staff. That's tandoori chicken. Oh, it looks delicious. I think I'm gonna have that tandoori chicken. This is tandoori chicken full, which should be 12 pieces. It's 520 rupees. And this is green salad, which is let's see, 80 rupees. Man, this looks so good. I miss having meat and salad. Okay, let me dig into tandoori chicken. Yes, I saw them cooking tandoori chicken at the entrance of the restaurant. It looks so good, so I had to order tandoori chicken. There's a green sauce that I see when you order tandoori chicken. The chicken is very juicy, succulent, and there's my green salad. And this looks so good. Oh, this chicken is so good. Wow. This is the Jaisalmer fort. This fort looks very impressive, but not as big as the one in Jodhpur, but very pretty. I'm at the Akai Pole, which is a Akai gate. Jaisalmer fort. Wow, very pretty. Love it. Wow, check out the view. I love this fort. Oh, look at this fort. So beautiful. There are people still living inside the fort. Wow. More than 3,000 people still live inside the fort. I love the intricacy. Wow, so beautiful. This is a Sraj fort, Sraj gate. Very impressive. Fort is very beautiful. Here are ladies wearing a traditional Rajasthani dress. Beautiful colors. Oh, such beautiful dresses. Hello! So people are so friendly, so friendly. Oh. Wow. Jaisalmer Fort, also known as Golden Fort, is a living urban center with about 3,000 people residing inside. Within its walls, this was founded in 1156 by the Rajput ruler Jaisal and reinforced by subsequent rulers. Jaisalmer Fort was a focus of a number of battles between the Batis, the Mughals of Delhi, and the Rathors of Jodhpur. Beautiful fort, beautiful fort. 3,000 people still live inside the walls. Amazing. So beautiful.
Coconut water.
Coconut water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now
This is a 50 rupee.
yeah, good for health.
Oh. I got coconut water on my face. Alright, this is a freshly cut coconut water. Okay, it's not as cold as I was hoping, but it's okay. Just refreshment. It's a small alleyway with vendors selling various merchandise. It's very nice, very scenic. I love these small alleyways. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, good.
Good, enjoying our town?
Of course.
That's good.
Hello. Wow. So beautiful. Great view from the cannon. Very nice. It's a lovely view of the wall and the fort. The city of Jaisalmer. I am leaving the fort. Had a great time exploring the fort, just wandering through the maze like alleys. Very nice fort. I'm gonna head on back and take a rest. It's 7:30 p.m. and I am at Jaisalmer Lake, which is not that far from the fort. Let me go check out the lake. You can rent a paddle boat for 2 people up to 10 people, I believe. So nice lake.
चलो बेटा 10 लोग बेटा चलो चलो 4 जने 6 जने और
I'm at the entrance of Nachna Haveli, which also has a saffron restaurant. Beautiful, beautiful looking Haveli. Wow, this Haveli is beautiful. It's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So luxurious. I know it's a little dark, but it is gorgeous here. I am on the rooftop of this Haveli. Very beautiful. Okay, this is Saffron Restaurant. Check out the outside. Okay, I'm having dinner at Saffron Nakna Haveli from the Royal Kitchen. I ordered Jongmi Mas mutton, 700 rupee. I know it's a little more expensive than what I normally spend, but this place is just gorgeous. So I expect the food to be exceptional. I also ordered butter naan 135 rupee. Okay. This is the Zhongli mas mutton with a red sauce, and here is the butter naan. I also ordered mista salad, 175 rupee, and this is what mista salad looks like. Looks really delicious. Wow. It's 10 o'clock. I just finished eating at Saffron restaurant. The meal and the ambience were just excellent. And the mutton was the best I've ever had in my life. It was very soft, succulent. Excellent flavor, very good service. Price is a little high, but not really high. And this place is about 300 years old. Very nice place. I asked how much the room rate is. It's a 6,000 rupee per night. I highly recommend this place for you to eat if you're in town.